guys, I found a way to open this. So guys, I'm still really dumb because there was more tape right over here. And now look, it's open guys. I'm actually so excited. Comment down below if you are
Wow!
Guys. Bro, how to pick this man up? Get this out! Guys, what do you think this is? It's white and it's really cool. It's a Project Zorgo mask. Guys, I'm going to wear this or I'm going to wear this. I feel like hello. Guys, this seems cool. Maybe guys, this doesn't even fit me well, but it's great, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Guys, this looks great. I'm not even going to lie. Bro, I think I know how to. Okay, whatever. My mom will figure this out later. Because I know mom. It's reverse. Like probably here. Yeah, that's exactly what I want.
Uh-oh.
It's a little too loose now. As you can see, it's falling off. So probably want to tighten this a little more. Ow. Guys, probably I don't know how to do this stuff, guys. I know mom. So guys, I probably have to do this like that. Probably a little more, I think, guys. This much, and then, guys, let's wear this and test this out. Now that is perfect, and maybe that's not perfect. So I'm going to tie this up a little bit more, like probably this much, and a little more. This much, yeah, this much should be fine, I think. I don't even know myself. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about. Guys, this seems so cool. And it's hard, guys. It is really hard. Guys, look at the inside of this stuff. But I think we can also. Oh my! No way, this is real, guys. It's the voice morpher. I was right. And how does this work? I actually don't know. This is the on. Right here. Let's do the demo. That seems like the PZ leader, guys. I'll ride this here and you'll be like so scared. Is watching. Guys, this seems so cool. Wait, we could put this in here and then we could wear this. I don't know how to do this. I'm really dumb. So. Let's try this out. Not. Guys, I did the thing he always does in Project Zorgo videos. Guys, this. Oh my gosh, we got some pencils, dude. What's this? Look at this, guys. I'll read this. Hey, my ninja, we have a we must defeat Project Zorgo. I cannot read that much. So, guys, we also got this right here. As you can see, we got some pencils. I think it's pretty cool. Guys, we'll have to use the scissors again, dude. Right now, let's separate them apart. Yeah, like that. But there's another piece of some scissors. Maybe I mean tape, and I just put them up. Yeah, guys. So I'll show you the Project Zorgo infiltration thingy, whatever pencils. Oh my gosh, these erasers are great. They are super tall. Pencils are short. Look at this, guys. And guys, not only that, but we've got something even more cool. Oh my gosh. So it's the decoder wheel. I don't think the decoder wheel looks like this, guys. But it's came in a really cool way. I think this is how you open it. Probably this way. No. This is how you open. Okay, not this. Not this. I don't even know how to open this. Oh, right there. Get this out. Bro, come out. Oh, wait. This is an inform. Whoa. This is an. What's up, spine? Yes, we have decode message, sentence from spine. Project Zorgo can spy gadget. So, guys, I don't think this is how the decoder wheel looks like. It has like a thing at the bottom. Or like this. What's this? Okay. But this is the instruction. To the first find the key. I don't see no key here. Oh, this can move. Okay, maybe like this. Wait, I just shuffled it all. Maybe like this. Yeah, that might actually be correct. Guys, I'll read this later, but when I'm actually playing. Oh my. Guys, I'm an official spy I'm an official hacker now, guys. I'm working in Project Zorgo. I've got this. I thought this was. Oh my. Spy Ninjas and Project Zorgo infiltration kit. I mean Project Zorgo infiltration kit. Oh my gosh, guys. It's a Morse code key. These are all the Morse codes, I think. And I don't even know how to use them, but whatever. Decoder card. Where did it go? So I don't even know how to use this thing. So probably in the decoder wheel. But it makes everything red. What's this thing? Dude, this is the things where we write like the, decoders, codes that we... Look! I'm an official hacker. Project Zogo, a certificate of achievement, the PZ leader, Herbie, I don't know how to read that, certifies that PZ is Zohan. I'll write my real name Zohan, aka PZ 47 second code 47. Now guys, the PZ leader or whatever that is certifies that Zohan aka PZ47 has completed the B235. It's a fog that erases your memory to become a bad guy procedure and is now an official hacker and will be known as PZ47. So guys, this is actually really cool. Oh my gosh guys, I'm actually about to cry. I love this guys. Wait, I think this thing has something to do with the Morse code key card, maybe. I don't even understand. Wait, I think I do. A, look closely. A. Guys, if you know how to do this, just see if I'm correct. We have to get A. What's the number? 2. So where's 2? 2 is going to get. Okay, where's A? I don't see no A. Okay, right there. Guys, I don't know how this will happen, but can we even move this? Wait, where's... Wait, guys. I don't even understand a single thing of this, maybe. But I think I understand only one thing. I think this Morse code and decoder card are together, like they are used for something. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so exciting, guys. Look at... Wait. Okay, let me read the instructions of voice morpher and then... Guys, so look, this is only about if it's not working. I don't know. My dad will really read this. This is no. Wait, I need to write a code that Project Zogo actually sent the spy ninjas. It was probably like this. What was it? I don't remember. The only thing I remember is this thing. It sort of looks like a lollipop. But guys, this seems really cool, guys. And I'm going to end the video. So I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Have a great time.